Deep down, Earth's a hot mess. Molten rock, or magma, is always cooking. Magma is full of dissolved gases. Like soda, pressure keeps them trapped. Pressure builds, then bam! Gases expand and magma rushes up. Weak spots in the crust, magma finds them and heads straight out. Some volcanoes ooze lava slowly. Others explode with ash and fury. Volcanic eruptions change the world. New land, wild weather shifts. Volcanoes, Earth's fiery burps. Pretty cool, right? If you liked it, give a thumbs up.